Today I want to have a gentle chat about something we all enjoy and maybe take for granted: eggs. Yes, those simple, round, golden treasures we often have for breakfast. Eggs are amazing. They are packed with protein, vitamins, minerals, and all sorts of nutrients that our bodies need, especially as we get older. They help keep our muscles strong, our energy steady, and our bodies nourished. But here's the thing: even something as healthy as eggs can become harmful if we make certain mistakes. It's not the eggs themselves, it's the small habits around how we cook them, store them, and eat them. And as we age, 60s, 70s, and beyond, our bodies become a little less forgiving. A tiny misstep can lead to digestive discomfort, spikes in cholesterol, or even foodborne illness. I've seen it so many times: people who love eggs, eat them every day, but they don't realize that a few simple errors can quietly affect their health. And the good news? All these mistakes are easy to fix once we know what they are. Over the next few minutes, I want to walk with you through the most common mistakes people make with eggs, and exactly how to enjoy them safely, so you can get all their goodness without worrying. We'll talk about things like how to cook eggs safely, how much to eat, how to store them, and even small tips that make a big difference for your heart and digestive health. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident to enjoy your eggs every morning, fully knowing you're doing it the healthy way. Take a deep breath with me for a moment, inhale, and exhale. Let's start this journey calmly, and let's learn how something as simple as eggs can be both healthy and safe when we pay a little attention. Before we dive in, let me ask you, if you love eggs or want to keep enjoying them safely after 60, drop a quick comment below that says, "I'm here." It helps me know this message is reaching the right people. And if you haven't subscribed to Senior Longevity Tips yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We share weekly tips to help you stay healthy, strong, and vibrant as you age. And now, let's begin with the first mistake, which many people overlook every single day. One of the most common mistakes people make with eggs is enjoying them raw or slightly undercooked. Maybe you've added raw eggs to a smoothie, or like a soft-boiled yolk that's still runny. It seems harmless, but here's the thing: raw or undercooked eggs can contain salmonella bacteria, which can cause serious food poisoning. For people over 60 or 70, our immune systems aren't as strong as they used to be. A foodborne illness can hit harder, leaving you weak, dizzy, or in the hospital for a few days. And believe me, no one wants their favorite breakfast to become a health risk. How to avoid it? Always cook eggs until the whites are fully set and the yolk is firm, or if you prefer a softer yolk, make sure the eggs are pasteurized. Avoid recipes that call for raw eggs unless you're using commercially pasteurized eggs. Check eggs before cooking: no cracks, no odd smells, and always store them in the fridge. Here's a simple tip that many seniors find helpful: soft-boil eggs for 7 to 8 minutes. They come out firm enough to be safe, yet creamy and delicious. Pair them with a slice of whole grain toast, and you have a nourishing, safe breakfast that starts your day right. Remember, it's not about giving up your favorite foods, it's about making small, smart adjustments so you can enjoy them safely every single day. Many people love the taste of fried eggs, and who can blame them? That golden yolk, the slightly crisp edges, it's a comfort food for mornings. But here's the catch: frying eggs in a lot of butter or margarine can add unnecessary saturated fats and even harmful trans fats. Over time, this can affect your heart health, raise cholesterol levels, and increase the risk of heart disease, something none of us want as we age. How to avoid it? Use a non-stick pan so you need very little oil. Switch to healthy oils, like olive oil or avocado oil, which are gentle on your heart. Or try boiling, poaching, or steaming eggs instead. These methods keep eggs healthy and safe without sacrificing taste. Here's a little tip many seniors love: add fresh herbs, a sprinkle of pepper, or a dash of paprika instead of extra fat. It makes your eggs flavorful without putting your health at risk. Think about it: small changes in the way we cook can protect your heart and energy levels for years to come. It's not about avoiding what you love, it's about enjoying it in a safer, healthier way. Eggs are healthy, yes, but even the healthiest foods can become a problem if we overdo them. Some seniors eat eggs every day, multiple times a day, thinking it's just protein. While protein is essential, too many eggs can raise cholesterol levels for some people, especially if you already have heart or circulation concerns. How to avoid it? Stick to 1 or 2 eggs per day, and balance them with other protein sources like fish, beans, or nuts. Mix it up: scrambled eggs on some days, a veggie omelette on others, or even a hard-boiled egg as a snack. Listen to your body. If you notice any digestive discomfort or changes in energy, it might be a signal to adjust. Here's a friendly tip: pair your eggs with plenty of vegetables. A spinach and tomato omelette or scrambled eggs with peppers and onions adds fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Not only does this balance your meal, but it also helps your heart and digestion stay healthy. Remember, it's not about limiting joy, it's about moderation and awareness. Small, mindful adjustments keep eggs safe and nourishing, while still letting you enjoy your favorite meals. Many of us love to sprinkle a little extra salt on our eggs. It enhances flavor and makes breakfast taste comforting. But here's the thing: too much salt can increase blood pressure, strain your heart, and even cause swelling or water retention, issues that become more important as we get older. How to avoid it? Use herbs and spices instead of extra salt. Fresh parsley, chives, dill, or a pinch of paprika can make your eggs flavorful without the health risk. Try lemon juice or a dash of pepper, simple, healthy ways to enhance taste. If you enjoy a pinch of salt, measure it rather than shaking freely from the container. Here's a practical tip many seniors love: make a flavor station on your counter with herbs and spices you enjoy. That way, you're naturally drawn to healthier seasonings instead of reaching for extra salt. Remember, small flavor swaps don't take away from the joy of your meal, they protect your heart and overall health, allowing you to enjoy eggs every morning without worry. Even the healthiest eggs can become risky if they are not stored correctly. Leaving eggs at room temperature, storing cracked eggs, or keeping them past their expiration date can lead to bacterial growth and foodborne illness. How to avoid it? Always store eggs in the refrigerator, ideally in their original carton. Check eggs for cracks or unusual smells before cooking. Pay attention to the best by date, and try to use eggs within a few weeks of purchase. Here's a simple tip: keep your eggs in the main part of the fridge rather than the door. The temperature is more stable, which helps eggs stay fresh longer. Think of it this way: safe storage is a small step that protects your health every single day. When eggs are stored properly, you can cook and enjoy them with confidence, knowing you are reducing any risk of illness. The good news is that all these mistakes are easy to fix. With small, simple changes, you can continue enjoying eggs safely and healthily, without giving up the foods you love. Here are some practical tips to keep in mind every morning. 1. Cook eggs thoroughly, soft-boiled or fully cooked to reduce any risk of bacteria. 2. Use healthy oils or alternative cooking methods, like poaching or steaming. 3. Practice moderation: 1 or 2 eggs per day is plenty for most seniors. 4. Flavor wisely: replace excess salt with herbs, spices, or a squeeze of lemon. 5. Store eggs safely, in the fridge, in their carton, and away from cracks. Many seniors find it helpful to pair these tips with small routines. For example, checking your eggs while pouring morning coffee, or adding herbs while waiting for water to boil. These tiny habits make healthy choices natural and easy to maintain. Remember, each small step protects your health, your heart, and your energy. By paying attention to these details, you can enjoy eggs confidently, knowing you are nourishing your body safely every day. Let's look at some real-life examples of how seniors enjoy eggs safely every day. These small habits make a big difference for health, energy, and peace of mind. Some seniors start their morning with a soft-boiled egg paired with whole-grain toast and fresh fruit. They make sure the eggs are fully cooked, and the meal is balanced with fiber, vitamins, and protein. This small breakfast keeps them energized without overwhelming their digestion. Others enjoy a vegetable omelette cooked in a little olive oil. Instead of adding extra salt, they use herbs like parsley, chives, or a pinch of paprika. It's colorful, flavorful, and heart-friendly. Medication routines can also pair nicely with breakfast. Some seniors take their morning vitamins or medications alongside a small egg-based breakfast, ensuring they remember their doses while enjoying a nourishing meal. Safe storage habits are also common. Many seniors keep eggs in their original carton in the fridge, checking them before cooking. This simple routine prevents accidental use of cracked or expired eggs, keeping breakfast safe every day. These examples show that small, consistent habits, like cooking properly, using healthy oils, seasoning wisely, and storing eggs safely, can transform your mornings. You get the nutritional benefits of eggs without unnecessary risks, and it becomes part of a calm, confident routine. Now, let's talk about keeping these healthy egg habits consistent. It's one thing to know the tips, but the real magic happens when these habits become part of your daily routine. Start small. Maybe today you focus on cooking eggs safely and adding a few herbs instead of salt. Tomorrow, try moderating your portion and pairing it with vegetables. The next day, double-check your storage habits. By adding one small change at a time, you make it easier to stick with them, and your body benefits every single day. Many seniors find it helpful to link these habits to something they already do. For example, while your coffee is brewing, you can prepare eggs or check their freshness. Or, as you pour your morning water, you can season your omelette with herbs. Pairing new habits with familiar routines makes them natural and effortless. It's also important to celebrate small wins. Did you cook your eggs safely today? Did you enjoy a balanced breakfast without extra salt or too much oil? These moments are proof that your efforts matter, and over time, they build a strong foundation for health and independence. Remember, you are in control of your mornings and your health. Even after 60 or 70, small mindful choices, like the way you prepare, season, and store eggs, can have a huge impact on your energy, heart health, and digestion. By practicing these habits every day, you are not only enjoying eggs safely, you are choosing confidence, peace of mind, and a healthier life. As we come to the end of our chat about eggs, let's take a moment to reflect. We've talked about 5 common mistakes: eating eggs raw or undercooked, frying them in too much butter or margarine, eating too many eggs, adding too much salt, and improper storage. Each of these small missteps can quietly affect your health, but the good news is, they are easy to correct. When you cook eggs properly, use healthy oils, season wisely, moderate your intake, and store them safely, you protect your heart, your digestion, and your overall well-being. And the best part? You don't have to give up your favorite meals. You can still enjoy eggs every morning while keeping your body safe and strong. Imagine starting your day tomorrow with a soft boiled egg, some fresh vegetables, and a sprinkle of herbs. Your breakfast is delicious, nourishing, and completely safe. Or making a simple omelette with olive oil and colorful veggies, feeling confident that every bite is supporting your health. Here's my invitation to you: start tomorrow with one small change. Cook your egg thoroughly, try a new seasoning instead of extra salt, or check your eggs in the fridge. One simple adjustment today can become a healthy habit that lasts a lifetime. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever made any of these mistakes or have your own tips on eating eggs healthily? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I read every single one because we learn best together. If this video helps you feel more confident about eating eggs, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps others find this important information. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Longevity Tips if you haven't yet. This channel is your daily source for smart, practical advice to age well and enjoy life. Let's help each other enjoy our favorite foods safely, stay healthy, and live with confidence, even after 60 or 70. And before we finish up, I just want to say thank you, for being here, for being curious, and for caring about your health and happiness. You're part of our community now, and together we're learning how to make smarter decisions for a healthier, happier tomorrow. So stay wise, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.